Hi, this is part 2 of the trading terms. Averaging down. Buying more of a falling stock to lower the average price you paid, hoping it goes back up. Beta shows how much a stock moves compared to the market. A high beta means it's more volatile, moves up and down more. Blockchain, a secure digital record of transactions. It's used in things like cryptocurrency to keep track of trades without a central authority. Blue chip stocks, shares of big, stable, and well-known companies that usually do well over time and often pay dividends. Broker, a person or platform that helps you buy and sell trades. Dividend, money companies pay to shareholders from their profits. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, investments that include a mix of different assets and are traded on an exchange.